please. So please abide the regulation.
Hello, welcome. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to create a simple photo frame, whether you want to use it in your school, whether you want to use it at home. I'm very sure you will find this video very interesting. I'd like you to subscribe to the channel and I will be right back with all the steps. Welcome back. So let's go to our workspace as we start the exploration right away. Remember the website is canva.com. You can actually use your mobile phone to actually achieve this. If you are using your mobile phone, kindly please download the app on your Play Store, this Canva design app. Then when you download that, do a lot with that. You can also follow the same step to achieve what I'm about to create. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to search photo collage. So photo collage. So I'm going to be using some of their templates of photo collage to actually create my work. So let me just look at what they have here. So there are actually a lot of. Okay, I'm going to be using this. Let me just click on it. So with this right now, so I'm going to be changing all the pictures here. You can actually design it from the scratch in case you actually want to do that. But for me, I want to use these templates, and I'm definitely sure that you will find it very interesting. So I'll be going to upload my pictures. You can drag your pictures from anywhere and drag it here, but I already have my pictures somewhere very far. I actually like Canva for something. The data for Canva is quite very much. I mean, the data for the storage of your pictures is quite much, and it can actually accommodate a lot of pictures. This has been a very big help for me, and it has given me a lot of opportunity to actually create a lot of pictures. So I'm going to be using some of these pictures to create my photo collage. So what's the first thing I'm going to do? Let me see whether I have another one. There are actually a lot of them. I actually want to combine them together, just like a photo collage, and form something nice. Let me see whether I kept some in my folders. All folders, my pictures, materials, YouTube, and others. Okay, we'll go back to upload. Think everything. I will use this then. So imagine you're actually using something like this. I can drag this here. When I drag, it is good for you to edit your picture. Just click on the filter. You can use general filter here. So I like to use adjust, and what I'm going to do is quite simple. I am going to arrange. Let me first arrange everything one after the other. Arrange. Click on it twice to actually zoom it out, and a lot of more you can do over here. So the process is simple. Sure, you will give it a try. Just drag all the pictures one after the other, and I'm 100% sure that you already have all the pictures you want to use. So I'm going to show you other process, but let me first drag all the pictures first. I don't actually have much pictures to download to actually work on, but let me just imagine I'm actually done with this. Let me show you the one I've actually created before, so that I'll show you how I create the blur background and others. So see all design. Yes, coming to this particular one. Yeah, this is the one I actually want to show you. So how do I blur the background? I think I've not uploaded the video, but you can check whether the video is there. How to blur the background of a picture on Canva. It is quite simple. I blur the background so many things were not actually showing at the back. I also blur the background of this also. So how to achieve that? Let me zoom in. Okay. The first thing I actually did was to let me first show you. These are all the pictures once again. I drag all my pictures. Then how do I blur the background? Let me go to the next page. So what I did was very simple. Let me go to upload. I still have a separate picture of a separate video on how to achieve that, but I just want to show you how to blur your background in a very simple way. So what you will do is to drag the picture twice. Okay, I think I'm about to find some pictures. Pictures. Okay, this is the picture. So what I did was very simple. The first thing, I duplicate the picture. After duplicating the picture, I took one of them. Then picture is still loading. Okay, loaded. I went to effect. Then I removed the background of one of them. Then the other one. Okay, let me allow the effect to work first before I move to the other one. Okay, so I have the first picture and the second picture. So I'll go back to the first picture. I will go to adjust. Then I will come to blur everything. Maybe this 42, 47 is not bad. Then I will take this, drag it on it. Then fine. So that is how I blur the picture. Then I save it as downloaded it as PNG. Then make sure it has transparent background, so it will be this picture only that will be coming in. So that is how I actually created this. So the next thing I worked on, I took the picture, I downloaded it out. After downloading it out, so I took it to the frame village, where the frame artwork and the frame all the artwork. It was awesome experience. The process was very clear, and at the end of the day, it came out very clear, just as if I used Photoshop So there's no difference between using of Photoshop and also using of Canva video. So as you can see the picture, this is the process where they were framing it. This is the process where they were cutting some of the pictures and more. So you can actually get this done at Lagos Island, and this is the finishing product. So very easy and straightforward. I'd like you to give it a try. Any entrepreneur out there, if you are thinking of how to actually get things done, maybe looking for extra income, you can actually embrace this. This is simple, and you can actually give this a try. Design everything on your Canva, whether on your phone or on your laptop. Take it to where the frame. I can recommend Lagos Island. When you get to Lagos Island, but that is in Lagos, Nigeria, and there are also other places all over the world. Just look for the location anywhere you are, frame the artwork, and I'm very sure you find it very interesting. So thank you very much for watching this video from beginning to the end. I hope you enjoy the process. Thank you. Have a great time. Bye.